Welcome back to the lab. Yesterday we were making a new firewall, or fitting a new firewall into the March sheet behind me here, and today we were doing the same thing. Of course, all you guys know that these jobs don't take 5 seconds. So this is the not pretty side of it. This is the boring side of it at the moment. It's just raw aluminium in relatively good shape. I haven't got too fussy about trying to avoid scratches and stuff, and it's not the type of aluminium that has a protective coating on it and you do all your work and then rip it off afterwards. But we've got our new window in. I didn't make a frame like I suggested I was going to. That is just literally pop riveted on there, and it will have some tape or some sealant around the edges to seal that off for gases and stuff. It'll be relatively okay as it is. Let's be honest, if you've got gas coming through between those two, or fire coming through between those two, or liquids or whatever, you've got bigger problems. There's probably going to be other stuff leaking somewhere else. So that's mostly sorted out. We need to get our hands on some aluminium foil tape to seal up some bits and bobs. I need to get some heat-proof silicone rubber sheet to make some grommets around the bars. All that's all quite difficult to get hold of at the moment. You can ring up and order it, but you've got to hope that the person on the other end of the phone understands your description. Otherwise you might not get exactly what you want, unless you order it online. Some of the places I get this stuff from simply don't have decent websites. Let's have a look at the shiny side, the pretty side. Fancy, eh? It's getting there. So there's still, as I said, there's a bit to do. There's the grommets and stuff where you kind of gaping big holes through the firewall like that. That's a very bad idea. The fire will come through. It's like people have put their harnesses through without harness boxes. That's basically a wick to take the fire into the into the passenger compartment. So speaking of harness boxes, I've done them slightly differently. They are basically about the same size. The original ones were a square box. They didn't have the chamfered edges on them there like that. And I still have to make the end plates to seal off here, obviously. Or the air just goes through the fire, the liquid, whatever. Just goes straight through there. Burns your harness, sets you on fire. Not good. But that's all looking not bad. Not bad, pretty good. That's about all that's happened today. That'll be our 3-minute video, I think. Looking forward to doing something with this plenum, a better one, and making more power. That's going to be good. And just having a look around in the engine bay here today, before I started filming, and started thinking there's a few other things I can do a bit nicer than what I've done. We've got enough lead here for our link can lambda, and a longer lead on this one on this side. Much longer. I might take these 2 units off the mount. I'm using that term loosely. Cable tied onto the, what are we going to call those? Stays. That'll do. Take them off there. Build a bracket here or something, somewhere nice. Mount them side by side. Get all the feng shui all nice and good. Put them on display. It'll look better. Same thing with our fuel pressure regulator. It's not going to be kosher having it living there anymore, I don't think. I want to move that. Passenger side's better for weight distribution, not good for running of hoses and stuff, but I mean, there's a nice lovely little spot right there, smack bang underneath that harness box, harness protection box. So, and I've got to take that off and paint the top of that black, or get it anodized black, or buy another regulator that is black. That is literally all that's happened. I have given the car a little bit of a clean. It's a little bit shinier. It's not had a polish. It's just had a little bit of a clean. Right, that'll do. Right, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.